A o do tweda. It is used to give permission or ask for permission. Basic structure is take the verb stem and add a or o do tweda. For verb stem vowel ending a and o, we use a do tweda. For example, khada, it becomes kha do tweda. For other vowel endings, we use o do tweda. For example, mogda, it becomes mogo do tweda. And for hada ending verbs, we use he do tweda. For example, khungbu hada, it becomes khungbu he do tweda. Let's use a few examples to make this clear. First example, Yogi anja do tueo. May I sit here? Next example, 내일 다시 전화해도 돼요? Is it okay if I call again tomorrow? Next example, 이 옷을 입어봐도 돼요? May I try on these clothes? Next example, 지금 시작해도 돼요? You may start now. Next example, 이거 먹어도 돼요? You can eat this. Next, 사진을 찍어도 돼요? You are allowed to take photos. Try to translate these two sentences on your own and comment your answer.